try my hands at plucking this wig and try to give it a little bit more of a natural part. So I'll be back when I'm done plucking. While you're plucking, you want to make sure to take your time because you can rip the lace while you are plucking. So while you're plucking, try to pull the hair out smoothly versus rough. The purpose of plucking a wig is to give it a more natural look versus it looking like a wig. So right now, the way this part is, I feel like it is too close. Plucking it will separate it a bit to give it a more natural, flawless look. Now I'm going to work on the baby hairs. It is best to use a razor so you won't get straight lines, but you can definitely use scissors as well. Cut in a diagonal way instead of straight across so the cut won't be so blunt. I love the way it is looking so far, and if you feel like you need to pluck the hairline as well, you can do that to give it a more natural look as well. But this is what I'm going to keep it as for now. I wanted to do a full video showing you guys how I put the wig on, how I flat iron it and things like that with the hot comb, but I ended up selling the wig, so I did not get a chance to do that. But I will have another video showing how I apply my wigs.